Okay, let's take some time to clean up the model before we go any further. Just like in drawing, you care about the overall shape of something before adding details. Otherwise, you end up with a pretty nasty mess. So, let's clean up our mess first, and we may be able to find some solutions to more of a flow and a more agreeable topology while we're at it. Okay, how about isolating this eye? So, multi-cut tool, activate, split, split, edge, delete, edge, move. We still need that because we're going to attach the ear after we build it separately. We may need that. Let's keep it. Okay. Definitely want more resolution in the eye. So let's go ahead and split this. Okay. That's isolated. This created a five-sided vertex, but we may need some more resolution in the head here. Or not. We'll see. Let's see. I think these are definitely unnecessary. Follow this. And we can probably use just some triangles. Let's some triangles. Create some diamonds. So let's do that. What do we need? So I'll know I need that. And it'll meet on top of here where I'm gonna like work out the ball of this nose at a later time. So I know I'll need some extra resolution here. So go ahead. Oops. Split this polygon. And I'm going to start creating some diamonds here. I kind of want it outside of this eye here. How about merging these two? Actually, we don't need to merge those.
Hi, will the following speakers please make it to the conference room located in the main office for a parent-teacher conference? We're looking for Mr. Stott, Mr. Kadanek, Ms. Muirhead, Mr. Kadah, and Mr. Boyette. Thank you so much. Again, Mr. Stott, Mr. Kadanek, Ms. Muirhead, Mr. Kadah, and Mr. Boyette, parent-teacher conference located in the conference room in the main office of Mr. Fuentes. Thank you.
Okay. We'll need that, believe me. Let's merge these. Oops. Merge, not delete. There we go. Moving this down. Think. How about if these two edges come over here? So I don't want a diamond that shows on the face, so let's try the side of the head. Come on. How about right after we get out of the ear? Okay. So this is needed. And let's create a diamond. Multi-cut tool right here. Alright. Four-sided face. We're still legal here. I think I want to move. So we definitely need one edge. Definitely one edge that goes to the side of the head here for the mouth crease. How about three? But one that that fits into the mouth crease. We need one more that goes to the eye here. How about we start splitting right around here? Figure that out. And have it meet there. It's gonna be rather messy. I have a feeling Maya will protest. Save. Go ahead and protest. Oh, sorry. Go ahead and protest because I'm gonna do some fancy things here. So, edge, delete. Rather unorthodox, but as long as it gets cleaned, I will be happy. Let's go to vertex mode. Let's get rid of a few of these guys. Merge. That can just be deleted. I will draw another edge here. The multi-cut tool. And one of these is gonna cut right into the muzzle here. Delete. Bloop. Merge. Let's get rid of you. Oh. Let it keep doing that. Let it complain. I can see more room for cleanup here. Here, let's just go and merge. Make sure I did not select anything else. Alright. Just merge. Merge. Trying to decide whether I want this to clearly go here. Or split here. I think I'll split here. I think a bit of this down here is going to be omitted. Let's go ahead, edge, delete. Start making muscles look like muscles. I really want that there. Let's see. Nope. Don't want to do that. Is it possible? Because I still want that chin to be a nice little ball for attacks. F key to focus. This guy is necessary, so he'll get some attention, because we do need a jawline. The trick is, once we build more topology for this, where would it go? I think once we start building the eye a bit more, the topology will find a home. Let's look around before I start splitting any more faces. No? Alright. Here we go. It's a risk, but it's worth it. Extra work, but it's worth it. Alright, let's go in here. Okay. Connect, connect. Multi-tool, connect, connect. Okay, I don't think we need the resolution up here. I think this is when it's a good idea to delete those faces. Let's break the chain. Face. Delete. Now, take that edge. Nope, not that one. This one. Delete. There will probably be topology, but extra topology, extra resolution, I should say. However, when we create this little ball here to enhance the cheek. However, let's not create it yet. Not yet. Hit 3 key to check on our geometry. Are we clean? Not quite clean. We can make that clean because usually the eye is hollow. Let's do it. Delete. Remember, use this button, this tool here, so you don't leave stray vertices behind. Cool, now we can get rid of this. Alright. I still don't want to use the sculpt geometry tool that is explained in the video yet. Not enough resolution for me to get that obsessive for that easy fix. Alright. I don't see any triangles or 5-sided vertices. So I think I can go ahead. Yeah, I can go ahead and work on that ball on either side of the cheek now. Model clean. Okay. We'll do something with this, definitely, before we're finished with our model.